traders of the world. Imagine being in a world where trading is not just about profits, but also about thrilling competitions. Can you partake in more than one at FundedNext? Before moving on to the answer, did you know that we are paying $1,000 extra to our traders? Yes, you heard it right. If you don't get your payout within 24 hours, we will be adding $1,000 extra to your payout. That is our brand promise. And now let's start. At FundedNext, as we are hosting one competition each month, the door is wide open for you to join multiple competitions. Each competition is a unique arena. So whether you are a scalping master or a long-term strategy guru, there is a spot for you. But wait, it's about more than just entering these competitions. It's about strategizing and playing smart. You've got to know the ins and outs of each competition. To know more, you can watch this video. And here's a pro tip: diversify your approach. Don't just stick to your comfort zone. Experiment with different strategies in different competitions. It's like playing chess on multiple boards, a real test to your trading skills. So there you have it, traders. The world of FundedNext competitions is your oyster. Explore, experiment, and excel. And remember, in the world of trading, knowledge is power. Keep learning and keep trading. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading insights. Until next time, keep those trades smart and your profits high.